Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jules Emily, and before you go any further in this video, please don't forget to join the Jules Emily family. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a family member to tell a friend. Why not? First thing I'm going to take is my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, and this is the amount that I will be using. And that's a lot. Just wiping some of that off my hand. Always make sure to go with a moisturizer so your skin can remain balanced and not dry after using so much product. Even if you have oily skin or dry skin, always moisturize your skin for an even makeup application. But for some reason, this feels very mattifying to me. I don't know if anyone else experiences. Not really a bad thing, but it does feel mattifying comparing to my Charlotte Tilbury moisturizer, what I'm used to. For the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, is also meant to be a moisturizer and a hydrating primer. I have worn it on its own without using another primer, so I can do that without going in with another primer, if that makes sense, because it does feel good on the skin. So for my next step, I'm going to take my Hollywood Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is in the shade 6.5 Deep, and this just gives a lovely glow from within underneath the foundation. And because I have oily skin, I like to focus this on the highest points of my face. I can't use this product all over my face because otherwise I'll be an oil mess. So I'm just going to use my sponge and blend that out. And I'm now going to color correct my face because I like a flawless application in the summer. Yes, so I'm just going to take my orange color corrector and I'm just going to blend this out just like so. For my next step, I'm going to take my Nars Soft Matte Foundation, and today I have it in Macao and Marquises. I did do a review on this foundation. This is one of my favorite foundation because it gives you a flawless matte finish. The only thing, sometimes it can feel a bit matte on the face sometimes, but the only reason why I'm going to mix the two, but I'm just going to mix it a little. Macao is too light for me, and Marquise sometimes comes off a little bit too warm when it oxidizes a bit. So I do tend to use both mixed. I'm just gonna use my sponge and blend that out. And this foundation gives you a full coverage with no hesitation, like full coverage. Look how flawless that is looking so far. So far so good, and it doesn't feel too drying. If you do own this foundation or are planning to pick up this Nars Soft Matte Foundation, I would inform you to use a very hydrating primer with this, otherwise you'll feel like the life is sucked out of your face. So far it feels very comfortable on the skin, and you guys can see how beautiful my skin is looking so far. And this foundation does oxidize a bit, so don't worry about the color. My Charlotte Tilbury Magic Concealer. I'm going to take this Magic Concealer and it's in the shade 11. This concealer is very full coverage, very lightweight, and it's a very bomb concealer. I would recommend this concealer 1000%. And I like that this concealer color is not too bright, so it gives you that nice natural finish to it. For cream contour, I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Tantour in medium, and this is what it looks like. I'm just going to dip my product just like that and do this while I allow my concealer to sit. And for this, you don't want to take it too low, but as high as possible. One thing I do love about my Peaches and Cream brush, this one is in PC21. It's a very angled brush, so it places the product perfectly where I wanna place it. Now to blend out my concealer, I'm going to use my Juno & Co sponge, the same one that I used to put on my foundation. I'm just going to use it to blend out. And I usually like to start from my chin, go all the way up. You have to make sure you blend. And I have to do it under my under eye. Then using the bottom of the sponge where that has on the foundation just to blend out the edges, because we don't want no harsh lines around here, so we have to make sure we blend out the edges always. To set it, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this one is in 30 medium deep, and this is what the color looks like. And we're just gonna press this powder in to the skin. And for my bronzer today, I'm gonna take my Gucci bronzer, and this is what it looks like. And this one is in the shade 5. I'm just gonna take this right here. Just to blend out. Look how gorgeous this Gucci bronzer is. I haven't worn it in a hot minute. And for those who don't know, bronzer is bringing back warmth into the face. Now to dust off my face, and I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Powder, and I'm going to take number 3 and number 4 mixed together. And this is also going to dust off any excess powder from placement under my eye. And yeah, that's looking good so far. For a bit of blush, I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk and just apply that right here. Okay, to set the rest of my face, I'm going to take my favorite Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, and you guys know, if you have purchased this, that this is a bomb setting spray. Like, beautiful. This will lock your whole face for the whole day. No budging, no moving, and nothing to worry about. Like, it is bomb. I would 1000% recommend it. Okay, so for my lip liner, I'm gonna take my Doll Beauty lip liner and Killing It. And for lipstick, I'm gonna take my Vieve lipstick in Coming in Hot. And this is what it looks like. So this is my lip. Let me go get a lip gloss and come back. And for my lip gloss, I'm gonna go in with my Doll Beauty Clear Gloss, and this one is Clear to Me gloss from Doll Beauty. I'm just gonna apply that on top for some good. And then just wiping this off. My lips look so juicy. My face is looking nice. Yeah, for mascara, I'm gonna take my Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Sky High mascara. And I've been loving this. Yeah, I've been loving using this mascara. It's giving me length. And I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty liner. Hey guys, so we've now reached the end of my video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. My flawless summertime get ready with me type of look. So you guys need to drop a comment down below and let me know what's your favorite product used on a daily in your summertime routine. Yeah, this would be my go-to type of glam on a regular basis, even the eyes. But when I'm lazy, you will see me use a lot of neutral colors. But I am loving this look. I'll see y'all in the comment section down below.